Hi, my name is Dave Olson. Welcome to the Artpreneur Grant Application Webinar Training. In the following modules, we'll help walk you through the various components of the application process and provide you with information as to the best way to prepare your application submission. At the end of each module, we'll ask you to complete a short quiz found on the Canvas site to ensure that you understand each of the module's components. Let's get started. Introduction. What is an artpreneur? UNCSA defines artpreneur as an artist who isn't defined by what is, but rather inspired by all that could be. One who is business savvy and technologically aware, who's devoted to creating value and impact through their creative practice, who reaches beyond existing disciplines and tries to discover new ways of connecting with others, and one who's willing to take creative risks in order to positively transform our world. The Artpreneur Grant is an opportunity for graduating UNCSA students to compete for $2,500 to support their creative projects or their creative enterprises. What can I use the funding for? Examples of expenses specific to launching your creative project or enterprise might include artist fees, venue costs, discipline-specific equipment or software, or professional services. Examples of expenses which we are not funding through this program include general expenses of transitioning from college to your career, personal living expenses, for example, rent, transportation, food, etc., or career development expenses, including headshots, classes, resumes, and student loan repayments. What is the deadline for applying? February 1st, 2018 is the deadline for submitting your application for this year. How many awards will be given? 5 awards of $2,500 each will be granted, with the winners being announced in May 2018. What will this webinar series do? It will help you to define your idea. It will help you to define a creative project versus a creative enterprise. It will help you to write a project summary. It will help you to write a descriptive narrative of your project. It will help you to develop a project budget. It will help you to write an individual bio and help to develop a list of any team members. And finally, it will help you to fill out this application. How do I qualify for a grant? In order to apply for and receive artpreneurship funding, you will need to be on track to graduate in May 2018, confirm your graduation status with the registrar, and successfully complete this webinar series, including a short quiz at the end of each module. Can I get personalized help completing the application? Yes, you can. Workshops will be held on several upcoming dates to be announced at the Teaching and Learning Center on campus. This is the end of Module 1.